We turn now to the latest on the COVID front tonight. 25 total COVID patients in Jefferson County hospitals. It's about where we've been lately, and you can see only a couple COVID patients are in the ICU. And new tonight here at 10, a Southeast Texas coalition says there are 3 areas in Jefferson County that have some of the lowest vaccination rates in the entire state. 12 News reporter Amelia White live tonight breaking down where those zip codes that is, are.
Jordan, 3 zip codes, 77701, which is right here where I'm standing, 7705, which is that direction, and 7703, which is right in front of me. All 3 of these zip codes have one thing in common. They have the lowest vaccination rate in the state of Texas. For some, community means everything.
That community is near and dear to my heart.
Which is why Mary Scott was intentional about honing in on zip code 77703.
But my church is in 03, and so through the years, I have realized that that community is typically underserved and overlooked.
And it was no different when vaccines rolled out.
I knew when COVID hit that they would be last on the list to receive anything, and so I took it upon myself to get involved and work with that community.
She works with the Southeast Texas Faith and Community Leaders Coalition as a 77703 coordinator.
They've been on the bottom rung of getting the vaccine, having access to the vaccine, and they're still down at the bottom.
Take a look at this map. Zip code 77703 is the lowest vaccinated zip code with only 34% of that population vaccinated. Zip codes 77701 and 77705 are right behind 03 with a 45% vaccination rate. The percentage rates in neighborhoods didn't come as a surprise for Dr. Masanti Levine.
It doesn't, not necessarily a surprise. We know that those pockets exist, and we've planned for that, and we understand that that's an issue with vaccine rollout.
Scott and her team put forth an effort to tackle this issue through talks.
The way that we're going to conquer this is person to person.
Conversations that led to sleeves being rolled up and slowly but surely increasing the vaccination rate.
So we've gone into the community and tried to get vaccine clinics within the community, within walking distance.
So there is still work to be done to increase our local vaccination rate. Scott and Dr. Levine are asking you to have conversation with those who are still on the fence about getting the shot. And as always, we have a list of places you can get your shot of hope over on our website at 12newsnow.com. I'm live in Beaumont. Amelia White, 12 News.